Howdy, this video covers the Inequalities word problems worksheets, and we're going to go ahead and go over number 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, and 13. So let's get started. Alright, number 2. The sum of 5x and 2x is at least 14. So the sum is addition, right? So the addition of 5x and 2x, so 5x plus 2x is at least 14. And we should know that at least means greater than or equal to 14. Yay. Done. Okay. 5. If 5 times a number is increased by 4, the result is at least 19. Find the least possible number that satisfies these conditions. Okay, so 5 times a number. We have a number right there. And we should know that if you see a number in a word problem, it means x. And so 5 times a number, so 5 times x, so 5x, is increased by 4. Increased is a plus sign by 4. So 5x plus 4 is at least, so again, greater than or equal to 19. And now we need to see what the least possible number is, so we need to solve for x. So solving for x, we need to subtract 4 first. You'll get 5x is greater than or equal to 15. Then you divide by 5, and you get x is greater than or equal to 3. Yay. Okay, number 7. 7. Okay, 3 times a number, 3 times a number increased by 8 is no more than the number decreased by 4. Find the number. So 3 times a number, so a number is x, so 3 times x, 3x, increased by 8, plus 8 is no more than that. So no more than. So this can't be more than the other side, than the right side of the equation. So it'll be less than, but is no more. Doesn't specifically say that it can't equal it. So you can also say is less than or equal to the number decreased by 4. So x decreased minus 4. X minus 4. Find the number. So now we need to solve for x. So let's go ahead and get our x's on the left side and our numbers on the right side. So let's subtract x from both sides. Subtract 8 from both sides. So 3x minus 1x is 2x. Negative 4 plus negative 8 is negative 12. So divide by 2. And x is less than or equal to negative 6. Yay, that was easy. Super easy. Number 9. Which statement is modeled by 2p plus 5 is less than 11? Well, let's go ahead and read. Letter A. The sum of 5 and 2 times p is at least 11. So sum of 5 and 2p. So 5 plus 2p is at least is going to be greater than or equal to 11. That is not the same. Part B. 5 added to the product of 2 and p. So the product of 2 and p is 2p. 5 added to, so 2p plus 5 is less than, so a less than sign, 11. And how about that? That's exactly what it is, so letter B. So it's not going to be A, C, or D. Next. Number 11. Jason is saving up to buy a digital camera that costs $490. So far, he saved $175. He would like to buy the camera 3 weeks from now. What is the equation used to represent how much he must save every week to have enough money to purchase the camera? Well, let's see. Well, he has four. Wait, no, hold on. Yeah, it costs $490. Okay, so what we need is $490. Now, do we need exactly $490, or could we save a little more if we wanted to? We could save a little more. So this is the smallest amount that we want. So if that's the smallest amount, then it will be less than or equal to 4. So 490 is less than or equal to what we already have plus what we need. So we already have 175. So add that to how much we need. We want to get it in 3 weeks. So we need to save a certain amount of money per week. So if we have 3 of those weeks, so 3 times, let's say, x. And x will equal money per week that you need to save. So let's go ahead and solve for x to see how much money we need per week. So solving for x, we're going to subtract 175. That'll be 315 is less than or equal to 3x. Divide by 3. And that's going to be 105 is less than or equal to x. So since this is a word problem, our solution will be Jason needs to save at least $105 per week in order to buy the camera in 3 weeks. Because every week he needs to save $105 or more. Next, 12. You can work a total of no more than 41 hours each week at your 2 jobs. House cleaning pays $5 per hour and your sales job pays $8 per hour. Let me just state that $5 per hour for cleaning is a ripoff. You need to earn at least $254 each week to pay your bills. Write a system of inequalities that shows the various numbers of hours you can work at each job. So let's go ahead and set up this equation, this system, that's all. We don't have to solve. So you work at 3 jobs, house cleaning. So let's say H will be house cleaning hours. And sales will be S, sales hours. Okay. So if you can only work 41 hours, both your hours at your jobs will have to be 41 or less, because you can work no more than 41 hours. So your 2 hours, H hours plus S hours, is no more than 41. So you can work less than 41 or equal to 41 hours. But you need to earn at least $254 each week. So you need more than $254 each week to survive. All right. So it's $5 for house cleaning. So 5H plus 8S, $8 per sales, and you need greater than 254. And that is your system. Last one. Fuel X, let's go ahead and say Valero costs $2 per gallon, and Shell costs $3 per gallon. You have at most $18 to spend on fuel. Write and graph a system of linear equations to represent this situation. Now, I don't have the second sentence here. Well, the third sentence. We need to know how many gallons we need. So you have at most $18 to spend on fuel, but you let's say we need 5 gallons or more. Okay, so now we can set up our equation. So we have 2 types of fuel, Valero and Shell. So we'll do V for Valero, S for Shell, and we need 5 gallons. So V is Valero gallons, S is Shell gallons, and we need 5 gallons. So V gallons plus S gallons is less than or equal to 5 gallons. Wait, hold on. You need 5 gallons or more. Oh, sorry. So V plus S will be greater than or equal to 5. Okay? So now we deal with our money equation. Valero costs $2 a gallon, so 2V. Shell costs $3 a gallon, so 3S. And that needs to be, you have at most 18. So the most you can spend is $18. So what you get needs to be less than or equal to $18. And that is our equation. So just set it up and that's it. Okay? Don't forget to do the rest of them. Don't forget to turn it in on Monday. Don't forget to do your other worksheets that are late. Thanks for watching. Bye.